Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here today. Steel. I don't know if it's a 420 or 430, guys. You know, that's up to you. Remember, guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers, and one more feature is not enough. And then one sound. Also, I'm going to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final. Alright guys, you can see, remember I take everything apart. In this case, the muffler didn't come with this baby. The inside looks good, but you can see that piston on the right. It has a little scratches there. Maybe it's not good, maybe it's not bad, but I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's damaged. Alright, this you can see it's broken already. Here's missing the spark plug. We're going to take a check to see what it is. The muffler is missing too. We got the cover on the back. We got the filter. This thing that I always take out like that, can throw a little gas. And the other on the other side. And the filter doesn't look good. Let me see. Let's check the gas for a second, guys. Oh yeah, you can tell us. Oh, guys, you have to. I'm gonna take it out, but oh yeah, that's all. That means that carburetor no bueno, it's not good. The chances are this is not gonna start. We're gonna give it a try, but if it does, it's gonna be anyways a killer because all that's gonna go inside. But at least if we can get a spot, I'm a happy camper. You see? Yeah. Alright, enough is enough. I don't want to make the video longer. Let's hit it. Alright, we're good there. Oh, sorry about this. It's moving a little bit. I think we got it. We're good there. Alright guys, we're going. I'm gonna put this spark plug. Since it came without anything, usually I use the doctor. I'm gonna use this one. Alright, we got it. We're gonna throw a little of the gas. Remember, always accelerate here. Like that you can go all the way to the heart, okay? I'm gonna put a little more. You know me, I like to throw a little bit. At least, all I want to get to see if at least I can get a spot, you know. These I'm not even going to try to do anything. Let's put the choke. Alright, let's hit it. 1, 2, 3. Woo, baby. Alright. Well, you got it there. Maybe it's a spark plug. I'm not sure. It sounds to me like she wants to get it, but I don't want because it's going to be a mess. If that carburetor, in my opinion, like, oh well, look at, you can see better the inside. At least the inside looks good. All right, guys, remember, so for Porsche, it's a damaged equipment. It's a broken machine. Hola, mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya saben. Otra 420 o 430, ustedes saben, mi gente, un saludo allá a Los Ángeles, Baja California, mi gente de Nueva York, siempre comprando por allá, gracias. Saludos mi gente, se los agradezco. Texas también, bueno, de todos los lados, Phoenix, para qué seguir mencionando, gracias. Bueno, ya saben que la ladera es mía, la gasolina está súper pegajosa abajo, ya tú saben que eso los chances son que el carburador tiene que estar sucio. Me hizo como que quería, la siento que quiere, pero no quisiera prenderla porque de todas formas se va a tragar todo eso, aunque hay que limpiarla. Recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Si usted está tratando de arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un error. ¿Por qué? Porque es para partes. ¿Ok? Yo trato de hacer lo más honesto posible. Mira, el pistoncito está arañadito allá a la derecha, ¿lo ven? Yo trato de hacer lo más honesto posible, pero por lo menos la camisa atrás no se ve bien. Desde aquí no, ya no se pone un poquito. Se ve bien, voy a dar una buena foto ahí. Bueno, mi gente, aquí no hay mucho que hablar. Como le digo, la ladera es mía, no prendió. No sé si la bobina está bien. Ustedes saben que casi siempre yo hago mi... Miren, ni me fijé aquí, mis pruebas. Pero bueno, ya saben, aquí estamos. Tengo tanto de equipo. Lo que he traído ha sido crema. A ver si me da tiempo a poner. No tengo tiempo. Miren todo lo que me sigue cayendo. A ver cómo lo hago. Bueno, mi gente, ya saben que se me une a la raza.